Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make a scatter plot in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have an existing data of what we want to graph. Currently, I've got the electricity bill from January up to December. Now, to start, let's go ahead and select all of our data. Once we do so, go to the Insert tab on the top left portion of Microsoft Excel and go to the Charts group. You can see a dot-like graph within the options. Go ahead and click on the arrow sign. This indicates the scatter graph or bubble graph. Since this is a sample video, let's go ahead and choose the first option for our scatter graph. Once we click it, we would be able to see the points on where our values lies within our data. So basically, the bottom row indicates the month that corresponds to a certain electricity bill, while the y-axis indicates the intensity or the value of our electricity bill for a certain month. We can easily customize this graph, move it around anywhere we want, and resize it depending on what we like. To easily format the graph, all we have to do is right-click it and go to Format Chart area. Once we do so, the Format Chart area would show up on the right side of Excel. Now, there's also another option where we can change the chart style. All we have to do is head to the Chart Design tab on the top portion of Microsoft Excel and go ahead and go to Chart Styles. We can choose different types of predetermined styles that Microsoft Excel has used to offer for each and every one of its users. Let's choose this one because it looks clean and easy to understand. We can add chart elements on the top right portion of the graph and add the axis titles so that we can easily determine which axis represents certain values. We can change this to months, and we can change this to bill or electricity bill. And there we have it. This is how we make a scatter plot graph in Microsoft Excel.